In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to a page on your Squarespace website. Adding music is a fantastic way to enhance the atmosphere of your web page and engage your visitors. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace website editor. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Squarespace's homepage. From there, log in and go to the back end of your site. This backstage access is where the magic happens, allowing you to edit your website's layout and add new elements. Once you're in your website-specific editor, you're in the right place to begin customizing your content. Now look closely and find where you can add new elements, often referred to as blocks and website builders. In your Squarespace editor, seek out and click the ADD block option. This action opens up a world of possibilities, showing you the types of content blocks available to include on your page, from text and images to forms and, of course, audio. After clicking ADD block, you'll see a range of options displayed. Your goal here is to find the one labeled Audio. So go ahead and select Audio to incorporate a media player that will allow you to share your chosen music with site visitors. This choice is essential because the audio block is specifically designed to host sound files effectively on Squarespace, ensuring a seamless listening experience. Once you've added the block, direct your attention to the Edit function. By clicking Edit, you're allowed to modify the contents of your newly placed audio block. Think of this as the direct gateway to your music. It's where the configuration and personal touch come into play. Next, it's time to upload your music. Select the option labeled Add an audio track. This prompts you to choose a file from your device that you wish to upload. Simply locate your audio file, then confirm your selection and let Squarespace handle the upload. It's worth noting that larger files could take a little while to upload, so be patient, ensuring your music is uploaded correctly. To secure your new audio addition to the site, you'll need to finalize everything by clicking on Save. This step is crucial as it commits your changes, allowing your visitors to access the audio content. Once saved, take a moment to preview your changes on the site. Ensure the music plays as expected and that the aesthetic aligns with your page's overall design. And there you have it, a straightforward method to add musical flair to your Squarespace website. As you experiment with music, remember it should complement your content and engage your audience without overpowering the page's primary purpose. Thanks for joining, and happy web designing!